Okay, here we have another question. If 7 to the power of x over 1 plus 7 to the power of x equal to 3 over 7, the teacher is wondering. The teacher is wondering 2, 4, 0, 1 to the power of x over 1 plus 2, 4, 0, 1 to the power of x equal to how many? You did not know? Teacher, let me show you. So first, 7 to the power of x. What is the relationship between these? When you see 7 to the power of x, 7 square is 49, and 9 times 9 is 81. So there is something fishing I can see. So 50 times 50 is 2050. And this one is 2401. Ooh, so I am guessing 7 to the power of 4. So 49 times 49, 9 9 81 49 36 49 36 49 36 44 16 44 16加39. So 0, 1, 4, 2. Oh, so 7 to the power of 4 is 2401. Now we see the relationship. So 2401 to the power of x equal to 7 to the power of 4 power of x equal 7 to the power of 4x, right? Now we get this. And we want to make it simple. Suppose we change name. We substitute 7 to the power of x equal to a. We input another number because it's just too complicated. So the same formula, the same equation, 7x over 1 plus 7x, 7 to the power of x equal to 3 over 7. We can change into a plus 1 plus a. This is a. This is a equal to 3 over 7. Now we can change into 十字相乘 7a plus 3 plus 7a equals 3 plus 3a. So minus 3a minus 3a, 4a equal to 3. A equal 3 over 4. So 7 to the power x equal 3 over 4. Now 7 to the power of x is a. So 7 to the power of 4x is a to the power of 4, right? This we have an equivalent change. Now we plug in this number back to the question. So 2401, we can write it as a to the power of 4 over 1 plus a to the power of 4 equal to how many? We know a, it becomes easy, right? So a to the power of 4. So a is 3 over 4 to the power of 4 over 1 plus this becomes doable, right? So is 1 plus 4 4 4 16 16乘以16等于256 right? 3 3 3得9 3 9 8 3 3 3得9 81 and this one is 256分之81 equal 25. Okay, let me find another piece of paper. Equal to 256分之256加81 over 256分之81等于这个互相除去256加81 7 3 3 7 3 What I'm doing 337 337分之81 and that's it. So the final result is 81 over 337.